A woman's attraction to a man, it's all based on her needs for survival and reproduction. So, today, I'm gonna show you 7 laws of attraction that work towards both of these needs, so women can't resist you. Number 1, achieve a deeper voice with a pencil. Dominant men are wanted by women because they provide survival benefits. Research found that women are more attracted to men with voices that are deeper with a slower pitch. The reason is simple. A deeper voice is a signal of high testosterone, which is directly tied to high survival rates. So, here's how you deepen your voice right now with a pencil. To slow down your pitch and enunciate better, I want you to place a pencil in your mouth and hold it between your teeth. You see, if you want a deeper voice, I want you to relax. Take a deep breath and then talk from your chest rather than your throat, because this chest-focused breathing will use your chest cavity as a resonance chamber to project out the voice. Now, with the pencil in your mouth, I want you to train daily, reading any book you have or page or article out loud for 5 minutes. When you try to speak with a weird object in your mouth, you're gonna force your mouth and tongue to work harder, leading you to develop better speaking skills. When you remove that pencil, your enunciation and your tone will be perfect. And just like that, tip 1 is already catering to her desire to survive. But remember what I said, attraction comes from survival and protection and reproduction. So the next 3 tips are to attract women using signals of protection, with the last 3 are to attract women using signals that you're a high quality mate that she'll want to reproduce with. Number 2, walk with shoulder swagger. The way your shoulders move when you walk will make you look either weak or dominant. You see, most men just walk by swinging their arms like pendulums back and forth. This is wrong. During a study, researchers pulled together over 700 individuals and asked them to study a variety of animated men walking. All the animated men displayed different styles of walking, with some displaying closed body language and others more open body language. But by the end of the study, what researchers realized is that men were seen up to 200% more attractive when they walked with something called swagger in their shoulders. Now, to keep it simple, swagger is when you walk with confidence and what research defined as walking with a little bit of attitude. So here's how you develop shoulder swagger. Every time you walk, think about your thumbs touching your thigh as your arm swings past it. What this will do, it'll cause the arm to swing slightly down and then shift to the other side when you graze past your other thigh. What ends up happening is that you develop a slight swagger in your shoulders that makes you look confident and with attitude. Number 3, have confident eye contact by not looking into her eyes. Eye contact has always been one of the quickest ways for a woman to determine how confident and competent a man is when it comes to protection. So here's how you maintain confident eye contact with any woman using 4 techniques. First, avoid looking directly into their eyes. That is awkward. Instead, try looking at their nose or in between their eyes, which will make it less intimidating. Second, rather than looking away, try to focus on another area of her face or body. Notice if she's wearing any particular earring or something in her hair. And if she ends up asking what you're looking at, you can use it as a natural segue into a new conversation or even a compliment. Third, if you're going to look away, glance to the side rather than looking down. Looking down signals a biological response that you are uncomfortable and not confident. And fourth, you will want to break eye contact in a natural way. You will want to nod, you want to make a gesture, a facial expression, or even switch up your body language. You try these 4 techniques and I promise you, you will be completely comfortable with eye contact with a woman and look confident. 4, improve your facial masculinity. It is scientifically proven that women are sexually attracted to men with masculine faces. So to keep it simple, I'm going to show you the only 3 ways to make your face appear more masculine. You will want to make it chiseled, increase facial contrast, and increase ruggedness. The first step is to make your face more chiseled, and here it's easy. You need to grow facial hair using turmeric. This has been scientifically proven to grow facial hair where there is none or very few hair. And the best part is, because it's natural, there are no side effects. Simply put, you just using this natural vegetable will increase the hair on your face, therefore making your face look more defined, which will make you more attractive. Now, to use turmeric, you can apply it naturally, but I prefer using a highly concentrated amount. You see, the active ingredient in turmeric that actually causes the hair growth is called Capilla longa. Now, I use a specific serum from a company called Copenhagen Grooming, and what they did is that they extracted that Capilla longa, increased the concentration to the point that they have a guarantee that you will grow more beard in 150 days or you get your money back. Second is increasing facial contrast. And to do this, you will darken your eyebrow. Increasing the color contrast between the hair on your face and your skin tone color has been proven to make you appear more attractive. And the quickest way to naturally darken your eyebrows is using a coffee paste. Start by mixing 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Then you will mix 1 teaspoon of honey into the mix to create a paste, and then you will apply it to your eyebrow. Just leave it for 20 minutes and then wash it out, and your eyebrows will look visibly darker, essentially creating a natural hair dye. You could also use a chemical hair dye. There are chemical hair dyes that come in pens that you can buy on Amazon, which is an alternative if you'd like to spend money. Now, the third step is to increase facial ruggedness. While yes, women find beards attractive, for most men, that's not the case because they have patchy facial hair, and that actually ends up hurting you instead of helping you. So, to signal that you are a man of superior quality, you should use a beard derma roller every day. A beard derma roller will stimulate inactive hair follicles to make them grow more hair. On top of that, it can even increase skin absorption of product like the Capilia Longa that I mentioned. Now, if you guys want to check out the brand that I use, which is called Copenhagen Grooming, they have a beard growth kit that comes with the serum that I use daily, plus a derma roller, and they have a 150-day money-back guarantee that if you grow no hair, they will give you your money back. And that's how confident they are that it works. As a matter of fact, they're so confident that we partnered up for a $10,000 giveaway where anyone can enter. If you use their product for 150 days and submit your before and after pictures, whoever has the best beard growth will win $10,000. And at the end of the day, everyone wins because you'll grow a beard that will make you more attractive. If you guys want to join, click the link down below and check out the beard growth kit from Copenhagen Grooming. At this point, you have deepened your voice, which makes you more dominant. You've increased your shoulder swagger as you walk, which makes you look protective. You have confident eye contact and have now increased your facial masculinity. 4 of those laws of attraction make you look like a protector, which is just one of the 2 primary traits of attraction: protection and reproduction. Now, I have 3 more ways to attract them based on their desire of reproduction. I have to stop flicking you off. I don't know why I keep doing that. Which takes me to number 5. All your dates should scare her. Now, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna scare her, spike her adrenaline so that she can see you as the hero of her story. You see, when it comes to a date, most men opt for something simple and boring like a dinner. But you aren't most men, because now you understand that research has shown that when women are in scary situations, they are more attracted to the man they're with and experience more sexual thoughts. So men that really understand this know that they take women on dates that spike her adrenaline. So here's a trick to take her on a scary date that's not gonna be super expensive. First, you will invite her over to watch a horror movie. Of course, you can cook dinner that day at your place, but for those of you that are really courageous, you can watch one of the top scariest movies like The Conjuring or Insidious, because this is key. Studies show that this fear will produce more oxytocin, which is that bonding hormone you want. But here's the twist. If you haven't watched these movies yet, you cannot go in there blind. You should pre-watch them so you get ready the day before, so you know where all the scary scenes are, you know exactly the plot, you won't be freaked out by anything. So when you finally watch it and you're together and she's freaking out, you'll be the calm, collected hero that's here to protect her. And that is how easy it is to max your attractiveness. Which takes me to number 6. Use the Michelangelo effect to make her think you're the perfect match. The Michelangelo effect is when couples try to shape each other's interests to influence them to like and do the same things. The studies back this up. You know, people who share common interests tend to like each other more. So here's a hack for you to trick her into thinking you guys have similar interests. First, you have to do some research, some recon work. You're gonna go to her social media pages, like her Instagram, her TikTok, and look at the music that she'll attach to her stories, to her reels, to her posts. Then, the next time you see her or you take her on a date, play the music she likes in the car and casually drop the, "Oh man, I love this song." It is a sneaky way to make her think you two are soulmates, all while increasing your mate worth from a reproductive standpoint. Number 7. You need to learn how to stand around a woman. I'm gonna show you how to convey confidence and show her that you're the perfect reproductive mate with nothing more than how you stand. See, most men, when they're in a party or something, they look awkward when they stand. They are unsure of themselves, and all that does is tell the women around them that they are not in control and not fit to raise a family. But there is a trick called the contrapposto pose. It was made famous by the Greeks, and it can instantly make you look like you are in control, dominant, and more confident. In fact, one study found that people, both men and women, find the contrapposto stance more attractive than the planned upright one. So here's how you do it. Start by choosing one leg and shifting most of your weight onto it. Then you can keep the other leg straight or just have a tad bent on it. After that, just let the opposite leg look more relaxed. And for the upper body, you can lean against the wall or just stand upright. And that's it. By doing this and the other 6 laws of attraction I just showed you, you will attract women both from a protection and a reproductive standpoint. If you guys want to keep leveling up, I'm going to leave 2 videos here. See you guys next time.